Hi everyone! Today I will be reviewing a product. Now I want to be clear from the start. I'm not getting paid to do this, so you will get my honest opinion regarding the brand. The reason why I do this is that I love deals and high quality. When I find something good, worth sharing and talking about, well, I just do it. So today I will be unboxing and reviewing a few products, about 14 or so, from a company that's called Brandless. Now this is a relatively new company and they are so amazing. So they have good products, organic, vegan, cruelty-free, fair trade certified, kosher, non-GMO, without parabens, sulfates, and without any other chemicals that I can't even pronounce. Most of the items are just $3 or less, and they provide free shipping on orders of $39 or more. $3 or less, can you believe it? Organic and high quality. So obviously I got just enough item to get free shipping, but they have over 300 other items on their website. Anything from food, household and kitchen, beauty and personal care products, and so on. They even have office products and back to school items, so I'm definitely checking them too really soon. Let's see and try these products, and if I approve it from my family, well, then this company got my business forever. So let's see what's inside. I kind of forgot already what I ordered. So they have this envelope, really cute personalized note. Woohoo! We've gone Brandless. Open me up. Okay, so very cute package. Bunch of paper. I'm gonna start with this. I don't know what's inside, but it's very neatly packaged. So let me see what's inside. Oh, look at this. I've never seen this kind of package. It's not that bubble plastic, but it's the paper. This is cool. This is already good. I like this. Oh, so it's a jar. It's a jar strawberry fruit spread. And see, it's the Brandless. Really, it makes it, you know, not a lot of stuff on the labels. It's really neat and clear. You can see the names and sugar. 8 grams of sugar. Isn't that good? Vitamin C. This is nice. So this is I'm gonna taste it later. But this looks like something that I would buy at Trader Joe's. You know, usually when I go to IKEA, they have these jams at IKEA and I always buy it. So looking forward to compare this brand with Trader Joe's. Next, this is gluten-free pizza crust. My kids will be doing this one. Look. Non-GMO, vegan, no artificial colors, no artificial flavors, Brandless. So looking forward to try this. What else did we get? Oh, so this is macaroni and cheese, and I think I got 2 for $3. 2 for $3, okay. $1.50 each. Yeah, there is another box. So some of the items are not $3 each, but 2 for $3. So checking the ingredients, obviously. Good stuff, cheese from cows not treated with RBST, you know, not a whole list of ingredients. We'll try it when the kids come back from school. We'll try it and see what that is. Now, creamy tomato basil soup. I really want to try this one. I love basil soup. And again, look, no crop inside. It's like all good stuff. And it's USDA organic certified. Oh my gosh, I'm excited. What this is? Body wash. So plain and clear without anything else. I like smelling this stuff, so let me see if I can do it. I'm not sure. I don't smell anything, so it either doesn't have a smell or it has a very light green tea and aloe smell. So that's the body wash. This is the toothpaste. Again, fluoride free, blah blah blah, all that good stuff there. Oh my gosh, I am excited. It's closed so I can't smell it, but it's a minty smell. Peppermint, yeah, obviously. Now what else? Ah, gluten-free pancake and waffle mix. Can you get this? Well, $3 I think. Yeah, $3 this one. If you ask me for good quality, that's good, but maybe at Trader Joe's for $3 I can get more stuff than here. But I don't mind paying, you know, eating less and make sure it's good. Let's see what else. Oh, this one, dark chocolate quinoa bites. I can't resist it. I think I'm gonna try this one. I mean, obviously I can't eat pizza crust, but the chocolate I can't resist. So chocolate, anyone? Chocolate? Dark chocolate. Again, only good stuff inside. Sugar. Well, 10 grams of sugar. It's okay, but for chocolate it's good. What else? Facial scrub. I really got this for my son, not for me. In case you wonder, he likes this stuff. It's a grapefruit facial scrub that doesn't have any, again, any chemicals that I can't pronounce. It's a very fresh grapefruit smell. I just had a chocolate and this smell. It's a good combination. It's not good. I'm not gonna eat it. Also, this is packaged separately, obviously, because this is like more chemical stuff. So, no. Let's see what I got. So it's in a plastic, but I do see the reason why they put it in plastic, because it's liquid, so not too ruined. So this one is granite and stone cleaner, and it's $3, and has no bad stuff. We'll try it. Have like dark granite countertops. We'll see. Oh, glass cleaner. Yeah, glass. Have to open it up. That's not working. Oh, of course, because I don't do it right. It's a nice minty cucumber smell, but again, I feel good that it doesn't have any chemicals, so this is amazing. And this is hand soap, and let me tell you, I love foaming hand soaps because, you know, it's not concentrated, and you can really save a lot of soap. So what I do actually when I'm out and I have this, I just add regular soap and like hand soap and dilute it with water, and it lasts forever. And I do the same thing for the dishwashing foam. So this is hand soap. It is lavender, my favorite smell. Can I smell this too? I'm gonna put soap on my hands. Ah, it smells really like lavender oil, not a lavender chemical, but like a real lavender oil. Ah, it's really good. Okay, and this one looks like, oh, that's either an extra item or this is probably for the granite. Yeah, for this one. All right, so far so good. I'm actually quite impressed, starting from their packaging. The chocolate is good. I'm gonna have more. I'm gonna try this when the kids come back from school, and I really want to try the tomato basil soup. Well, value-wise, I don't know how it tastes, but value-wise, This is $3, I think. I think this was not the 2-for-1. This is $3. It's kind of small for $3. In Trader Joe's they have like double the size. They like that too. So I really want to try it and compare it with the basil soup that I have from Trader Joe's. So this is something that I want to compare for sure and see what's the deal. Well, thanks everyone. I really appreciate you watching until the end. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please feel free to subscribe. I would appreciate that. Get a point to your karma. And if you have anything to say, if you ever bought Brandless and want to share your story, please comment under the video. And also subscribe to my channel, please, if you haven't done so yet. Thanks everyone. We'll see you again.